use reusable containers. You do not only save up your money, but also help the environment by reducing your garbage. Save your money, protect the environment.
I'd go beyond our fighting borders if you needed that from me. And I'd march with decorated soldiers to get your pretty eyes to see. Well, I would bring your morning coffee, then I'd wrap you up in me. I'd kiss your belly and your shoulders, cover blankets on our feet. So slow down, there's some kind of blessing here, but you have missed your cue. So keep your eyes set on the horizon, on the line where blue meets blue. And I bet that silver lining, well, I know it'd find you soon, because I have sailed 1,000 ships to